Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Nexus X-Site large anal beads. So let's get started. So this is the anal beads themselves. Now it has a diameter of 30 millimeters, and these anal beads with chain is perfect for anal toy lovers. The beads are made of a silky smooth body safe silicone material for a comfortable feeling, and there are 4 balls in total. This is much preferred for expert users rather than beginners. For beginners we'd recommend to use a smaller anal beads to start off with. It also has a loop just here, so insertion and removal is easy, and the beads are slightly flexible with the handle just here as well. Now, when using these large anal beads, we recommend to use either a water-based lubricant, or you can also use an anal lubricant, which is slightly thicker than a water-based and perfect for anal play. Make sure to clean the beads after every use using either toy cleaner and lukewarm water, or alternatively you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water. And that is the Nexus X-Site large anal beads. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.